Adept is a full-featured SolidWorks Gold certified PDM product that scales easily from small workgroups to large global enterprises. Adept is tightly integrated inside the SolidWorks application and ensures everyone has access to the right information at the right time. Adept helps users find documents anywhere to make design reuse easy and ensures there is a single version of the truth. Adept automates the engineering change process, and its flexible workflow capabilities make it easy to streamline any CAD or business process. Every license of Adept includes and is integrated with the best engineering visualization, markup, and compare solution on the market, which natively supports hundreds of CAD, engineering, raster, graphics, and Office formats. In Adept's Vault replication, users everywhere have fast local access to their designs, and unlike other solutions, Adept's vaulting method provides the security you need without encrypting or scrambling your file names and folders. Adept works with other mainstream CAD applications as well and was architected to manage all of your enterprise documents if your needs extend beyond design and engineering. Adept is tightly integrated into SolidWorks. The task pane provides comprehensive document management capabilities inside SolidWorks, which translates to a seamless user experience and increased productivity. Using the Adept task pane in SolidWorks, you can search for files using property information. The search results show the file name, part number, status, or any other property you want. You can also preview a thumbnail of the file, its references, and other related files. Use drag and drop to open or insert your file. During the same action, you have the option to check out, copy and rename, and specify which configuration you want to open. When you right-click on a file, you can check it in or out, view and edit the properties on the data card, rename the file, view it, and more. In the Adept desktop client, you have even more powerful enterprise document management capabilities to manage, secure, and control your SolidWorks files, Office documents, images, other CAD drawings, and other file types also. Adept's dashboard shows where used and child-related information, all the way down to the configuration level. The audit trail tracks the time, date, and user for every action performed on a file, when it was viewed, edited, and checked in or out. In addition to its internal benefits, this helps companies comply with industry standards and certifications such as ISO and 21 CFR Part 11. Adept's workflow helps keep projects on task. As files are checked into Adept, they enter your easily designed workflow that routes files through the approval process, alerting team members when files are approved, rejected, released, or stalled. Adept's built-in viewer helps team members collaborate and expedite the review process and make decisions that will accelerate the overall product design cycle. Adept's seamless integration with SolidWorks helps designers be more efficient while ensuring proper version control and enabling secure collaborative design. Adept is a single solution that scales seamlessly to meet the needs of both workgroups and multi-site enterprise customers. And most important, Adept is affordable and easy to implement. For more information or a complete video tour of Adept, visit us at synergissoftware.com or call